Hi. I know you can't see me properly, but it's currently 5:30 a.m. here in the village of Passo, North Sulawesi, and I've been staying here for over 4 months, and I might be leaving soon. So I figured I'll make a video of today. So yeah, welcome to this video. Morning. It's a beautiful morning, and I figured what better way to keep the flow of this video and the flow of this day going by answering some questions given to me by me. Yes, you heard that right, my friends. I will be answering some questions given to me by me throughout the day because nobody asked. What am I even doing? But yeah, here we are. All right, first question. Who do you think you are? Well, my name is Gwen. Some people call me Gwen Stefani. The owner of this bar I used to work in called me Gwen for some reason. My family calls me Gwen. Some others call me Gwynne. There's just a lot of different ways people, spell my name, and I think that's amazing. I'm a 22-year-old Shrek fan who's very much in love with the outdoors. Welcome to my swamp. Oh my god, it's too early. No, it's not. It's not. Let's go. Let's go. The sun's up. Now it's time to do some chores. Clean up the house, cook some dog food, prepare some dog food. Yep. I've done everything I needed to do for the morning. I figured now I'll answer the second question, which is, why do you start YouTube? That's a good question. Kudos to you. Thanks. You're welcome. Well, I guess I really like entertaining. As a kid, I would fall off a chair just to make everyone in class laugh. And I would also do other stupid stuff. I don't know if that's the wisest form of entertainment, but yeah, that's what I did. There's something great about seeing other people, I don't know. And also, I'm very, very grateful to have been born and raised here in Indonesia with its fast nature, people, culture, food, and more. So I guess I want to showcase a little bit of that on YouTube to anyone that's, watching. Combine that with me trying to entertain. Voila, masterpiece. Yeah, I'll stop there. On to the next. Hi, so it's currently 10:30 in the morning and it has been a really relaxing day. I've got breakfast out of the way, everything is settled, and now I'm just going to spend the next few hours finally finishing Sapiens. It has been really, really fun. Let's answer another question. Okay, what is one thing you dislike about yourself? I don't know what to call it, but I guess it's self-doubt. Here's an example. My day would be so great, and then towards the end of the day, I would just, grab a book and I'd read it, obviously. Say one part of the book talks about something random and particular, like, let's say, consumerism, or animals, or, just a random topic. And then somehow, my mind would connect these stuff and create this loop. In a matter of minutes, I would just end up being like,
I don't got this, man. I suck. What am I doing with my life?
And then I would spend the next moments, just feeling crappier because then I feel like I was self-absorbed for, thinking these negative thoughts. It's quite frustrating at times, but it is something to work on. So I'm excited for that. Time to finally finish this book. So, what happens next is either two things. It rains hard like it has been lately and we stay in and, do stuff inside. Or, like today, the sun comes out and we go out on our bikes and unexpectedly encounter wholesome people. Om Audi and Tante Hawa lives near me but are camping out in the middle of the paddy fields today to tend their ducks. And they invited us for a snack. In this case, fresh boiled eggs.
Justru yang sanger yang masih melekat ya kita ini kan aslinya memang marga Sanger. Kayak Oma Ol kan aslinya sih marga Sanger. Dari nenek dia.
Oke. Hello. So it's currently 5 p.m. and we just got back from biking. And we met this really, really nice, kind-hearted farmer. We were hanging out there for an hour, just talking, and now we're back. That was really, really fun, and we are planning to meet again sometime soon and hang out because they're amazing. Now I'm back here, just hanging out with my dogs. What are you eating? Hey, Shell, don't eat that! And now it's time to answer another question. What do you like most about yourself? Right now, it's probably the audacity of making this video. I'm going to be editing this video either thinking it's a masterpiece or an utter trash of a content. It's a masterpiece. Today has just been a really, really good day from morning till evening. I'm just so happy to be here. I'm really not ready to leave. And somebody just came with a freaking microlet. Oh my God, you got it. Okay, just to be clear, microlet is a form of public transportation that, that exists in Manado. And yeah, people travel all over Manado with microlet. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. So this is the next day and I have made you watch parts of my day as well as me answering questions that I give to myself. Weird video, huh? But a lot of great things did happen yesterday, so I couldn't be happier, and I'm just gonna, give myself a high five. Been a while. I guess this video could be another awkward reintroduction to this channel that I started around 2 years ago. How do you even say hi to the... I have connected with some amazing people who have reached out, which I did not expect, seeing how small this channel is. But yeah, it has been really, really fun, and I am excited to continue. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Di situ? Okay. Let's do this! And now I feel like we're only standing here to, be included. Quack! It's coming closer. Can you hear the ducks? Go, go! Yo! Yes! Yes!